Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coins EE Collection. Today's video, we're going to dive deep into a truly incredible coin, the 1972 Washington quarter dollar, valued at an astonishing $70,400. Yes, you heard that right. Stick with me as we uncover what makes this coin so valuable, how you can spot a rare one, and why collectors are going wild for this seemingly humble coin. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss out on a coin that could be sitting in your pocket right now. Before we jump into why the 1972 Washington quarter could be worth up to $70,400, let's take a quick look back at the history of the Washington quarter itself. The Washington quarter was first introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. Designed by John Flanagan, the coin features a profile of George Washington on the obverse and an eagle on the reverse. It quickly became one of America's most iconic coins. But what makes the 1972 version so special? Let's find out. Now, the 1972 Washington quarter may seem like just another year in the series, but certain factors set it apart. In general, most coins you see today are mass-produced, and while they hold some value, they're far from rare. However, the 1972 Washington quarter features a unique set of circumstances that led to a few rare, high-value examples. So, what happened in 1972 to create these freak coins? The key reason behind the 1972 Washington quarter's astronomical value is the presence of a rare minting error known as the double-die error. This occurs when the coin is struck more than once, resulting in a double impression on the coin's design. This error often leads to a visible doubling effect on the date, lettering, and even on Washington's profile. These coins are extremely rare, and collectors are willing to pay top dollar to get their hands on one. If you look closely, the date on some 1972 quarters will show a noticeable doubling, which is the giveaway that you've got something valuable. So, how do you know if you've got one of these rare 1972 Washington quarters? First, look closely at the date. The most notable error is a doubled 1972 date. If you spot any noticeable doubling, especially at the top of the 7 or along the bottom of the 2, you may have a winner. But that's not all. Check out the lettering as well. A doubled or offset, Liberty, or In God We Trust can indicate an error coin. If you've got one of these in your collection, congratulations, you might just have a coin worth thousands of dollars. Now that you know how to spot an error, the next important factor is the coin's grade. Coin grading is a system used to assess the quality and condition of a coin. Coins are graded on a scale from poor P1 to perfect mint state, MS70. The higher the grade, the more valuable the coin. For a 1972 Washington quarter to fetch $70,400, it would need to be in near-perfect condition, preferably graded as MS65 or higher. The coin's luster, clarity, and absence of wear are key factors in its value. So, make sure to check the condition carefully when evaluating your quarter. You might be wondering, has anyone really gotten $70,400 for a 1972 quarter? The answer is yes. In fact, rare examples of this coin have been sold for astronomical amounts at coin auctions. For instance, a 1972 Washington quarter with a dramatic double-die error was sold for over $70,000 in a private auction a few years back. It's a testament to how important condition, rarity, and errors are when it comes to coin collecting. If you happen to find a 1972 Washington quarter with such an error in near-perfect condition, you could be sitting on a small fortune. While the 1972 double-die is the big star, it's not the only rare version of the 1972 Washington quarter. For example, the 1972 S-proof quarter, produced for collectors, can also fetch significant value, especially if it's in pristine condition. While these coins may not reach the same heights as the double-die variety, they can still command a decent premium, especially in foolproof sets. So, don't just stop at one specific variety. There are other valuable 1972 quarters that might be hiding in your collection. If you believe you have a rare 1972 Washington quarter, don't just hang on to it. The next step is to have it professionally graded by an authorized coin grading service like PCGS or NGC. This will not only confirm the value of your coin but also ensure you get the best price if you decide to sell. A certified coin is much more appealing to serious collectors, and grading can increase the resale value significantly. That wraps up our deep dive into the 1972 Washington quarter, a coin that could be worth a fortune if you know what to look for. I hope you found this video helpful, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find a rare 1972 quarter hiding in your own collection. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coins Collection, and leave a comment if you've ever found a coin worth a lot of money. Until next time, happy hunting and keep collecting.